In this video, I will guide you on how to use Instagram Instants. Instagram has added a new feature called Instants where you can share unedited real-time images with your friends. To use, launch open Instagram on your device, make sure to log into your account. Now you want to tap on this DM icon at the bottom of your screen. Once you get here, you're going to find this icon at the bottom. Go ahead and tap on this plus icon. Now, if there are your friends' instants, you can view them if they are available. After that, you get to add your own. Now, once you get on this window, use the camera preview screen to prepare your photo. You can turn on the flashlight if you want. You can tap the rotating arrow icons to switch between front and back cameras. Now you can choose whether you want your friends to see this or only your close friends. Select that all before you tap on the circle icon, because once you tap on it, the instant will be sent. So once you're ready, go ahead and capture your image like this. As soon as you capture it, it is going to be posted. So you're not going to find any previews over here. It is directly going to be posted. If you want to check out your instance, you can simply tap on this icon at the top right corner and you should view all of your instance over here. If you want to delete your instance, you can simply select the image, then tap on these three dots. Here, tap on the delete instant option. That's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.